Today, I am reviewing HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a thoughtfully designed machine that blends performance, portability, and style into a package that is ideal for students, professionals, and everyday users alike. From the moment you open the moonlight blue chassis, you notice the premium feel and attention to detail. The finish is smooth and visually appealing, and the compact design keeps the laptop lightweight at just over 3.5 pounds, making it extremely portable for campus life, remote work, or daily commuting. At its core, this laptop is powered by the latest Intel Core i3 and 305 processor, an 8-core chip with speeds up to 3.8 GHz through Intel Turbo Boost. This processor provides a balanced combination of energy efficiency and performance, allowing for smooth multitasking across applications like document editing, streaming, coding, or light design work. It is paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is far more than the typical configuration for laptops in this price range, and ensures lightning-fast multitasking without slowing down even when many apps are running simultaneously. This makes it an ideal choice for students handling multiple projects, professionals juggling workflows, or creators editing content. The 1TB PCIe SSD is another highlight of this laptop. It offers not only massive storage capacity, but also incredibly fast read and write speeds. This results in near-instant system boot-ups, quick application launches, and fluid data transfers. Combined with the RAM, the laptop feels responsive and efficient, even under demanding workloads. The display is a standout feature. With a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen featuring an IPS panel, micro-edge design, and anti-glare coating, the visuals are bright, crisp, and vibrant. The 1920 by 1080 resolution delivers sharp clarity, while the touchscreen adds a new level of interaction, allowing pinch-to-zoom, swipes, and intuitive controls that make navigating Windows 11 Pro both smooth and natural. The anti-glare coating makes it comfortable to use in various lighting conditions, whether in a classroom, coffee shop, or outdoors. Speaking of Windows 11 Pro, this laptop comes with the latest operating system, bringing advanced features, enhanced security, and productivity tools. Microsoft's latest improvements make multitasking seamless, and the integration with Copilot AI adds an intelligent assistant that can help with everything from quick searches to complex workflows. This makes it not just a laptop, but a smart productivity partner. Connectivity is another area where the HP touchscreen laptop excels. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, wireless connections are faster and more stable, whether you're streaming high-definition content, joining video conferences, or transferring large files. The inclusion of a Type-C hub expands connectivity further, giving you access to multiple ports including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, SD card slot, and more, which is perfect for students, designers, and professionals who need to connect external devices and displays. The full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad is comfortable for long typing sessions, and the precision touchpad is responsive and smooth. The HP True Vision 720p HD webcam and dual-array microphones ensure clear video calls, making this laptop great for online classes, remote meetings, or video streaming. Audio is also enhanced with dual speakers that deliver clear, immersive sound for both work and entertainment. Battery life is excellent for a laptop of this caliber, allowing you to work, stream, and study without constantly searching for a charger. Combined with a lightweight design, robust performance, and premium features, the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop delivers incredible value. Whether you are a student needing a reliable study companion, a professional looking for a sleek productivity machine, or a home user wanting a powerful yet portable laptop, the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a standout choice. It balances performance, design, and features in a way that delivers real value, making it one of the most attractive laptops in its category for 2025. In short, this laptop is a perfect blend of performance, style, and functionality, and at its price point, it is hard to find another machine that delivers so much power and versatility. The HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is not just a device, It's a productivity powerhouse that keeps pace with modern demands while offering a comfortable and engaging user experience.